So in the description down below, you'll see two links, one for Mountaineer's YouTube channel and one for Mountaineer's website where I bought my White Half Runner seeds. Go over there, check them out, get you some seeds. You'll be glad you did. So I'm at the garden and my corn is really doing good. Overlook the grass. You know, it's in the yard, so the grass feels it belongs there. Okay, Anthony? Anyway, I got my Mountaineer White Half Runner seeds in this row and then the next row. I have to remember next year when garden season rolls around, I can't start planting in April. See, in Kentucky, the weather patterns, you start getting summer-like conditions in March. And my neighbor Wayne and I, we had most of our garden out in March, and then April, and then May. So the reason some of these seeds have not germinated and come up yet is because I didn't take that into account. And so the weather, the ground wasn't warm enough, but they are now germinating and coming through. On that first row, I just planted this row yesterday. Had to get the fencing up and the T-post. And then this row, 3/4 of this row is cucumber, pickling cucumber. I ran out of seeds. As you can see, my furrow is still empty. I got to get some more seeds to finish that on out, or a lot of people in the family have mentioned peas. So I might put a little patch of peas in the rest of this for them. I don't eat peas. And then over here, I got a big 50-foot long row. Get my finger out of the way. 50-foot long row of green onions that's already starting to come through, and they've only been in the ground about 3-4 days. You might be able to see this one. Let me get the camera close enough. That little guy. Green onion, I put them about 4 inches apart, about 3 inches deep on each onion set. And then this row is, right here is what I had left over from the potatoes. And then I've got 3 bell peppers. Thank you, Erica. I got yellow, sweet yellow peppers, and then I got red peppers on out there. On down at the very end of this next row is more corn, more bell peppers, and then the rest of these down through here is tomatoes. They're doing great. I got to get 5 more cages. I had 2 where I used to grow tomatoes in buckets. I forgot I had those. And then over here, whole row of potatoes. They're doing pretty good. There's beautiful sprouts. Got sprouts coming up all down through there. But just wanted to give everybody a garden update. This is where we are. This section here, between that row of fencing and this driveway marker, there's nothing there yet. So me and Farmer Betty are going to put out 2 more rows of corn and maybe some spinach or something like that. But anyway, that's my update, guys. Hope you have a great Thursday tomorrow. Take care and God bless. I spent the whole day cutting this massive property, plus another property that I haven't shown you yet that I just acquired. But yeah. Alright guys, we'll see you. Bye.